Hey everyone, and welcome to the virtual tour of Sana Commerce. In this video tutorial I will demonstrate you product pages and tell you everything you need to know about how to manage product pages. To access product pages in Sana Admin, click Web Pages and then Product Pages. Well, here you can see the list of all products from your database and manage product descriptions. Products cannot be created or removed in Sana Admin. The core product data like title, item number, price, visibility of a product in the web store are all managed in the ERP system. Product pages in Sana Admin are used to manage product details. If you want to find some specific product, you can search for it by item number or title. And now, let's take a look at what product details you can edit. You can enter the title of a product. It is shown in the web store. By default, the product title is retrieved from the ERP system and it will be used if you do not specify the one in Sana Admin. But if you enter the title in Sana Admin, it will override the one from the ERP system and it will be shown in the web store. Then you can enter the custom product page URL. You should not enter the entire URL, but only the part of the product page URL which will be used after your web store address. If you leave the URL field empty, the product title and item number will be used in the URL by default. In the main navigation item drop-down list, you can select the navigation item of the main web store menu that will be used as navigation path to a product. The canonical product URL is determined by the main navigation item. Next, you can see main description. So this is the place where you can add product description. You can use the editor to format the text and apply some styles, insert links, add images and some other files. In the web store, product description is shown on the product details page. And if product description is large, you can read full description which is located below. Just for your information, product description can be also added in the ERP system, but Sana Commerce provides this nice editor for better text enrichment. If product description is present both in the ERP system and in Sana Admin, the one from Sana Admin will be shown in the web store, as it has higher priority. As you can see, you can also add product images directly from Sana Admin. If you upload several images, you can change the order of product images simply by dragging and dropping them. On the product details page in the image carousel, the product images are shown in the order they are placed in Sana Admin. Watch another video tutorial in the Sana Video Gallery and read an article on the Sana Help website on how you can add all product images at once by uploading them to the web server. Well, I have told you about the basic settings of the product page, and now let's move to the advanced settings. So here you can add meta title and meta description to the product page. Meta title is shown in the web browser on a tab of the opened page. Meta description should include keywords relevant to the content of a page. They are read by the search engines but are not shown on the page. Meta title and meta description are important factors for a successful search engine optimization of your web store. Then there are two areas, middle content and footer, where you can add some extra content to the product page. It is clear that if you add some content to the middle content area, it will be shown in the middle of the product page, here under the product image and price. And if you add some content to the footer content area, it will be shown in the footer of the product page. Well, here under full product description, specifications and above the last few products. You can use different content elements to add the content you like and the way you like. Sana Commerce provides such content elements as text, image tiles, child menu items, product set, full page banner, and USP, which means unique selling proposition or unique selling point. The text content element allows adding simple text and formatting it using the editor, also adding links, images and files, and even embedding videos. Using image tiles, you can add up to 4 image tiles with alt text and description. To each image tile, you can link any internal page or external URL. This means that clicking on the image tile opens the linked page. In the web store, image tiles are shown like this. up to 4 image styles in the row with linked pages. Well, next element is child menu items. This content element is not configurable or editable. It allows displaying the images which are linked to the child menu items in the menu tree. To be more clear, let's go to the navigation settings. For example, I have the electronics menu item. To this electronics menu item, I have linked the page that contains the child menu items content element. Then, you can see in the navigation that under electronics there are also navigation items that are child menu items to electronics. To each child menu item in the navigation tree, I can add an image here under the Advanced tab. And if I open the electronics page in the web store, I will see the images that are linked to these navigation items under the Advanced tab, as the page that is linked to the electronics navigation item contains the child menu items content element. These images are shown by 3 in a row on the page. A customer can click on the image to open the page that is linked to the image. Let's go further. The next element is product set. Using this element you can add a product set to the product page. One more interesting content element is full page banner. It allows adding the banner image to the page. The banner image takes the entire width of the page. You can also add the title, subtitle and button with the link internal page or external URL that will be shown on the banner image. Let's take a look at some page in the web store that has a full page banner image. For example, this one. So this is the banner image, this is the title and subtitle under it, and the button with the linked page. And the last content element is USP, unique selling point. It allows adding up to 4 image icons with some text. It is usually used for advertising and marketing purposes, to explain in just a few words what makes your web store unique. Well, here how it is shown in the web store. Here you can see 4 icons and some simple text near each icon. The icons with the text are shown in a row. So that is in brief about each content element that can be used on the page. The number of content elements that can be added to the page is not limited. You can also change the order of the content elements by dragging and dropping them. The content elements are shown on a page in the order they are arranged. And the last option under the Advanced tab is page layout. In Sana Admin on the Design page, you can set the product details page layout. This product details page layout is set on the customer level and is used for all product pages. But when you edit some specific product page, you can redefine the product page layout set on the customer level. This means that you can redefine page layout per product page. The last thing that I would like to tell you about is that you can translate the content of the product page to any installed language. You can either select the language when you edit the page, or here on the product pages overview and click Translate. When you translate the content of a page, you can see 2 columns. In the first column, you can see the content in the default English language, which is not editable. And in the second column, you can provide the content in the language you have selected. Visit the Sana Help website and read more detailed information about product pages management. Watch also other video tutorials that demonstrate different web pages available in Sana Commerce. That's it for this demo. Thank you for watching. I hope you will evaluate flexibility and rich set of features which Sana gives you to manage your web store. Sana takes care of your online business.